Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is a big 1, 2, 3. I still don't even see any evidence the wave 3 is over, and I still suspect that the wave 3 could keep going up and take out this high before we get a bigger pullback for the wave 4 and then another push up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we are definitely still making higher highs, higher lows. I still think this is a 1, 2, and I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. I am definitely still very bullish, and I still think it could just keep on going up all the way to this line up here before we get a bigger push to the downside. So I am definitely still looking for longs and an uptrend. Going down to the daily, this move down was very sharp, but look how it made 1, 2, 3 waves down, made like a double bottom, high and low type thing, and then just kept on trending up. And then this move right here is also very corrective, and now it looks like we may have another end of a correction on shorter time frames, and potentially the continuation of that bigger uptrend, that bigger wave 3 I was showing on the monthly and the weekly time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely a very corrective move to the downside, and I would for sure consider that respecting the 61.8. Nice and impulsive move up. We definitely got a break of structure. I would for sure be looking for longs in an uptrend. I definitely don't think I would go long now. I would have to wait for a pullback to get long again, but I for sure am looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame is where you can actually see this little 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every single trend if you're on the right time frame, part of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern with a break of structure to the upside. So that's a really good sign that this probably is the end of an ABC correction. Like I said, I don't think I would try to go long now, even though it could possibly keep on going. It would be very dangerous to try to get long right now because I mean at some point it probably is going to make a pullback, but at the end of that pullback is where I would be looking to add to my position for the continuation of the uptrend. This looks like a possible end of a correction on the higher time frames, which means I will be definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.